Guys, Shadowcraft here today. We're going to be doing another Crash of Car videos. And I don't know if you heard me, so I am Shadowcrafter. And I am aiming for 15 likes today and to get 80 subscribers in 2 weeks. So, without further ado, welcome back to Crash Cars. And if you're new, do consider to watch my other videos to learn. Watch my first video of Crash of Cars and you will learn what this game is. And also, your guys' fan base name is S-Team. I meant S-Team. Wait, really? I think it's S-Team. Yeah, maybe. But with that being said, let's just jump right into this video. And also, I did get a new little car. It's so cute, isn't it? I'm so little I can run into stuff. Like dodge stuff. Whee! Hey, buddy. Uh-oh, you took it. You deserve that. I'm so little and strong. Yeah. I died. I sucked. Oh, let me just check my live subscriber count real quick, guys. And 72. Thank you so much, guys. And we have 2,763 views. Guys, you are rocking that subscribe button, likes, and everything. Oh, can win another car. So thank you so much for your support. I do try to upload every other day, if not, at least twice a week. And if not, once. At least just once a week, okay, guys? And summertime, I'm going to aim for uploading every day. Level up. That's kind of cool. I like it. But, I'm online right now. Guys, I do suggest this game if you don't have it. Crash of Cars is what it is called. Also, I am starting to lose my voice due to play in the school. So sorry if you can't hear me that well. Oh! Okay, this thing I'm using on me right now is a teleporter, which are very handy when you're in lead because everyone likes to chase after the leader. The winner, I guess. I don't know. The one with the most crowns, the most tokens kind of things. See? That just saved my life right there. That guy actually kind of helped me. Oh! Oh! Wrecked. I just wrecked those guys. Oh! That went so well. Really? Oh, shoot. Ow, there's a wall. Oh, I juked him. Get juked, son. Okay, I'll never say that again. That came out far worse than I thought it would. Oh! I didn't even know he was there. No! No! I was so close to 28. 28's my best. You can see up there. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh, and guys, my room right now is in the progress of becoming an awesome setup. My sister got a better room though, because my parents decided to give her a gift, and a lot of them. Me and my brother right now don't feel loved. We just think my sister's getting all the attention, actually. Well, mainly my brother thinks that, but I do think it a little. She's just getting all the attention. I don't know why I'm sharing this to you guys. Pretend I didn't say that, okay? Thank you. No one cares. Oh, my alarm. My alarm. Ah! Stupid alarm. Oh! Dang it. I has died. Yes, I know what I just said. Fire age. BRB. Yeah. 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 Oh my gosh! Right off the bat! That is so good. Right off the start. Oh man. Lucky day. Lucky day. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Boom. Boom shakalaka boom. Oh. Bucket! Bucket! This thing is so fast! Take that. I don't think you're that good as... Boop. Oh, stop smashing me, you jerk! I'm tiny! No! Yes, I got it! Oh. Nope. Uh-uh. Yep. Blip, blip. I had to do that. Dang it, you guys. Dang it. Dang it. Gosh dong it. What was that? Gorge. Boop, boop. Can you guys tell I have something on my thing? But, yeah. Sorry about that. Pause for a second. My brother decided to walk in again. Ah! That's the one problem about this car. It spins out when you hit oil slicks way too bad. Like the other car I had, it would just turn a little bit. This one spins like crazy, as you could tell. Okay, sorry about that one again, because my sister walked in, and my mom apparently was calling for me, and I couldn't hear her, because you guys, yeah, you guys, all of you guys are ruining it. I'm joking, guys. Boost! All those likes are ruining my hearing. Okay, that was really cringe. Yeah! What? Nope. Oh, too big. Dang it, dang it, dang it. That was a complete, utter fail. Dang it. No one cares. Oh, I didn't tell you guys this, but I got the boat. I can ride a boat. You can buy me a boat. You can buy me a truck to pull it. You can buy me. This is the one great thing. Why did it go offline? I really liked about this car, this vehicle in the game, is those cannons. Those pirate cannons. And it's better when I have them level 2. No one touches me. I want full health.